I've been testing the best spinning reels under $100 while catching giant muskie, smallmouth, trout, crappie, largemouth, and landlocked stripers. After torture testing affordable spinning reels, I found the options that are worth your money. Finding the perfect spinning reels can be overwhelming with so many options, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best spinning reels from trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Daiwa Legalis LT Spinning Reel. The Daiwa Legalis LT barely made the price cutoff for this test at $99.99. But I'm glad it did because this reel is phenomenal. Packed with high-end Daiwa features, this $100 reel is ready for anything a bass angler could throw at it. The ATD drag system is fantastic, super smooth, and strong, and the reel is lighter than several of the others in the competition. The Legalis also has a large flat knob, which I'm partial to. It was one of the top performers of the test and came close to winning the Best Overall award. It comes in 5 sizes and 3 gear ratios, but the 2500 is perfect for most bass applications. Number 2. Loose Speed Spin Gen 2 Spinning Reel. I tested the Speed Spin in a 2000 size, which is a little smaller than both the Daiwa Regal 3000 and the Shimano Sedona 2500. The Speed Spin still proved plenty big enough for skipping Senkos and other mid-range techniques. It was also a little lighter and more compact, so it was easier to handle and fish with. One feature I really like is the braid-ready aluminum spool. Most spools are super slick, so the braid has nothing to grip and will just spin on the spool unless you start with a little monofilament backing or add a small piece of tape to secure it. This reel has a textured surface on the spool with a bunch of little teeth that grip the slick braid and allow you to cinch it down. It's a huge help and something other manufacturers should take note of. Number 3. Daiwa Exceler LT. Of all the spinning reels under $100, the Exceler LT by Daiwa was far and away the nicest to fish. It's the only reel in this price range that legitimately feels like it should be far more expensive than it is. This reel was perfect for everything from river smallmouth bass fishing with jerkbaits to deep water reservoir fishing with jigs. With a super light carbon fiber frame and Daiwa's air drive rotor and bail, the Exceler has many of the features of Daiwa's higher-end reels at a fraction of the cost. It has an impressive 22 pounds. The silky smooth drag held up incredibly well to fish that were far outside the scope of its intended use. It landed multiple musky and striped bass during testing, handling them all with relative ease. In addition, its lightweight carbon frame and machined aluminum handle were as comfortable to fish as any reel out there, regardless of price. It casts like a dream, with feathery line release from the spool and a nice, even line lay on the retrieve. Overall, despite being at the top edge of the price range, the Daiwa Exceler LT is an exceptional reel and well worth the cost. Number 4. Daiwa Crossfire LT Spinning Reels. The Daiwa Crossfire LT is hands down the best budget spinning reel you can buy. With all 6 models priced below $50 and all common base sizes at just $35, you won't find a better spinning reel for the price. The Crossfire LT is as smooth, strong, durable, and capable as any. Daiwa advertises specific features of this reel with fancy terminology such as the air drive rotor, which maintains strength while reducing weight, LT concept, good materials, and tough digigear, a larger diameter with bigger teeth. At the end of the day, all you need to know is that this reel flat out performs. Plus, it looks like it should cost twice as much with a slick, shiny black and chrome build. Number 5. Shimano Catana FE. When I went back and looked at the price of the Shimano Catana, I was shocked. For around $50, depending on the size you go with, the Catana offers an unbeatable value. This reel is solid and sturdy, has a smooth drag system, and casts really well. The frame is designed to shift the center of gravity closer to your hand, which Shimano claims reduces fatigue and enhances comfort. I found it to be comfortable for all-day use, so there might be some truth to it. Either way, the Catana performs well above its price. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details, or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.